Hi, my name is Salman Ameer, and in this video I will show you how to switch your expression engine into legacy extended script and JavaScript. This feature is enabled in After Effects CC19, which is as known as version 16.0 and the later versions. To change the expression engine from legacy to JavaScript or JavaScript to legacy extended script, you need to click on the project setting and go to the expression tab, and then change the expression engine from JavaScript to legacy extended script or the legacy to JavaScript and hit OK. But I will show you how to change the expression engine with the help of scripting. So here I have opened my script toolkit, but you can use any editor you want, and I take the variable as the change engine, which is equal to app.project dot expression engine, because the sending is in the application, and then project, it's the project setting, as you can see, project setting, and in the expression tab, expression engine. By triggering with the help of scripting, you need to define these lines or argument, app.project.expression engine, which is equal to, in string you need to define the extended script or the JavaScript 1.0. If you go to the scripting guide in the page 40, in this page you can see he's defined that app.project.expression engine, but this functionality is added in CC19 as known as 16.0 version, and you can use these two string values to switch legacy extended script version like the old version or the new version of JavaScript. Like here I defined in string, and you can switch. Let me show you first. So if I check first my expression engine, which is the JavaScript, so I'm changing it to legacy extended script. Okay, now the expression engine is set to legacy extended script. So I have defined here that the change the expression engine to JavaScript and link my extended script to select target application to After Effects CC 2020, which is this my, and run the script, and it changed the expression engine. If I check, yes, it changed. And if now I paste or change the to switch to the extended script like the old legacy, by just pasting this extended script into the string value, in this string need to paste this extended script and run this again. So if now I check my expression engine, yes, it changed. So in this way you can change your expression engine to whatever you want, from legacy extended script, old to new engine of JavaScript. And at the end of this tutorial you can find a dockable script which is developed by me. You can use it and dock it, this switch engine, and dock it where you want, and it has the same functionality but some buttons element, and you can just pop up or show the current engine mode. which is the legacy extended script engine, old one, and switch to JavaScript and show again. Now it's changed to JavaScript 1.0, and you can check, and it's changed JavaScript. And if I change to legacy, it's also changed. So hope you like this tutorial, and be sure to subscribe, like and share and comment whatever you want, or ask some questions. Thanks for watching.